Here's the story about the letter J. Make an uppercase J by starting at the top and making a straight line down. But before you get to the bottom, you make a curve like this. To make a lowercase j, you start about here in the middle. You make a line down in a curve at the bottom. Then you add a dot right on top. Some words that start with J are jellyfish, jaguar, jelly beans. Okay, here's our story. Once upon a time, there lived a jellyfish named Jenny. She loved jelly beans and had a jar full of them. But she couldn't open the jar. Her neighbor, Justine, was a jaguar who loved to jog, do jumping jacks, and juggle. When Justine the jaguar came by, Jenny the jellyfish jumped out of their water and said, "Justine, will you please help me open this jar? It's full of jelly beans. I'll share them with you. I'm happy to help." All the jogging and jumping jacks and juggling made me the strongest jaguar in the jungle. So Justine opened the jar. "Thank you," said Jenny. "I would like to share these jelly beans with you." "Thanks, but I don't like jelly beans," said Justine. "You don't have to eat them. You can juggle them." "Okay, that sounds great," said Justine. So Jenny the jellyfish gave Justine the jaguar enough jelly beans to juggle. Justine would throw one back to Jenny when she jumped out of the water. They were so jolly, jumping and juggling and sharing the jelly beans. The end. J! What J words did you find in the story?